Yo, fam, what's up, fam? How are we? Happy Tuesday. Mad love. Appreciate all you coming by. Listen, gotta have a plan. I got a plan. Gotta have a plan. I got a plan, fam. Let's go. Golden pocket rejection. Where are we now? It's that simple. Golden pocket rejection. Send it down. Yo, that GP so clean, fam. That golden pocket so clean, fam. So clean. Let's go. Bitcoin's running to 21K, fam. It's running to 21K. We're gonna talk about getting in, getting out before they kill you on this move. Yo, how we doing on this Tuesday, fam? I hope you're having a great evening. There's a lot of great things to talk about. The fact that we have volatility is that's a good thing, right? Will this come down, relax at some point? I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. We have this kind of, I would say, more or less channel. And it's playing very nicely for Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin's moving up. What is everything we always talk about? We talk about Bitcoin dominance, fam, and the bounce. We talk about the bounce. Okay, here's the bounce. It's happened. All right. No one thought it was gonna come, but it's come. Okay, fam. Here's the bounce. Right here, and if you remember, when Bitcoin dominance does make that bounce back here in 2018, that's when we head to the lows. But we moved sideways this entire time. Sideways, sideways, sideways Bitcoin. And then we dropped down to the lows. Right around here. This is the lows right here. Again. Something like this. Lows. Then it kind of crawls back. Be a little higher. Maybe a tad higher on that fractal. That kid's strong right there. Regardless. Regardless, fam. We've seen the Bitcoin dominance bounce. We've talked about this every stream probably this year. We watched this last bounce in January. We thought it was over then. It wasn't over. We continued. Well, we continued to dump, but we also continued to consolidate sideways, distribute. And now you see Bitcoin trying to take its dominance back. It is taking its dominance back today. It has broken a new high on the daily. It should close at a new high. That is something we should be talking about because Bitcoin is, like I said, still bullish. All right. I do expect at least minimum for us to see the golden pocket. All right. A perfect example of how Bitcoin loves the golden pocket. Now tell me this ain't some shit. Right here, golden pocket rejection. Okay. Next one. Oh shit. You're telling me that golden pocket's right at that trend line, Savage? Yeah, it is. It's right there at that trend line, 21K. That's where we're going short term. Short term for Pumptober before it turns into Dumptober. Okay, fam, we're going to have a Pumptober before it turns into Dumptober. But the point is, I have to be optimistic when we can be optimistic, and I think that we're going to see a little bit more Pumptober before Dumptober takes over. Now, look, we'll come up here, see some type of rejection. Even if we get a swing failure pattern, I'm okay with that. All right, we'll get the rejection there at 21K, go back down. Now, it's going to be all about when we go back down here, I'm not going to get bearish in this section of the PA. This range. I won't. Not yet. Okay, I want to see a nice clean takeout. I don't expect a double bottom. If we start heading to 17.6, I expect a nice clean takeout of these lows to lower. So that's why I won't fade this until we start seeing those 17. The Bitcoin start with 17. But if we do have a move up, there's actually a couple projects I've been watching here. All right. Sold Bitcoin. Wow. It actually got the life sucked out of it the last hour. What is this? Wow. Never mind. Solana. Woo. We'll come back to Solana. We'll come back to Solana, fam. Breaking news right now. Solana is trying to be bullish, so Savage doesn't look like an idiot for telling you to accumulate it right here. I don't have a problem with accumulating Solana right here. The difference between accumulating Solana here and at $17, $20 if we get it is the fact that this area is guaranteed and $17, $20 is not. That's the difference. I don't think people understand. I get it. Solana's had 4 outages this year. I don't care. I'll buy up that bearish news all day, fam. This is a typical accumulation pattern. This is a really good look right here. Until they lose the lows here, we can't talk about Solana hitting those lows. That's fact. That is absolute fact, fam. Another project I am trying to accumulate in this bear market is BNB. Why? Well, here's BNB. It's actually making a turn. Wow, that's actually amazing. Look at this. BNB, after just like months of up only against Bitcoin, is it finally turning over here? Wow. That makes sense, right? Because Bitcoin dominance has bounced. Okay? So we're going to have the ultimate opportunity, fam. But look at the monthly. It still looks chad. Oh my God. We're going to have the ultimate opportunity to buy alts. I still think that opportunity starts below 20K Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's pumping. Not buying any more spot. Do you think we can get up there to 21K? Be looking shorts around there. That's fine. Go over to here to S&P. Okay? Same type of price action. Every mother truck. You know what? This is how easy it is. This is how easy it is to trade the S&P. People like Bitcoin's hard. Mother. Oh my goodness. Fam, let me show you how easy it is to trade the S&P here. Okay, what are we talking about here? This is how easy it is to trade the S&P. Okay? Noob market. Almost. Not really as clean on Amazon. What about this one? Facebook. The clean ass retest here. Oh my goodness. And do you think crypto's hard to trade? Oh God. Imagine how easy it is to trade that those stocks, baby. So, right now on the daily, we're actually having a nice DXY cross here on the daily. It hasn't meant much here. All right, let's check the bigger time frames. 2-day hasn't had a cross since July. It was a fake out. But it has a cross, impending cross coming. That's good. 3-day impending cross coming. Where is that impending cross? Again, it's 21K. Guarantee it. They're trying to walk back time, fam. It's going to take us a long time to get. 5 days not even close to crossing on the DXY. The ADX. The ADX. I call it the DXY. ADX. Speaking of Dixie DXY, it looks like we have a little bit of a local top. Possibly more of a bigger top. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Why? On the volatility indicator, fam. Wow. Hot coming down. Real Giga Chad 69, thank you for that follow. Crypto Noob, what's up, my man? Do I have PNL to show for it, Mr. Savage? For what? Yeah, it was easy to trade. Agree. I mean, I personally wouldn't show my put account, but I took out the Apple short. It's right there on my Twitter. BNB short. Look at the BNB. Look at the BNB right here. This is the monthly. Look how tight it is. Matic short to 60 soon. Wow. Yeah, I know. Right, Florian? I don't think people realize I'm going to take out fat ass Tesla put soon. Matic, yeah, Matic looks like a good short. Is this it? Is this a short right here? God. Oh, it's flagging on what, BNB? Yeah, but I'm looking at the volatility. Look at this BNB. No volatility here. This would have to pick up in 5 days or it's an easy short. This is an easy short. It could be a short signal on BNB. Look at Matic. Kind of a similar. I prefer to bring it in tighter. It personally looks like it to me, like Matic and stuff could, because of the volatility. Same thing with Bitcoin. $20.9, I guess that makes sense. Let's talk about EMAs and MAs. All right, so we got the 50 here on the daily. Let's look at Solana. Look at how tight these are. Like, this crosses up. This could be a huge bull run. Y'all see the DXY? Look at this. Look at the trend too. On the daily. Alright, so fucking Bitcoin's pumping, baby. KG 900, yo, thanks for that follow. Yo, Sony V. Florian, English only, por favor. Thank you. Only because I don't understand it and my mods don't understand it. Crypto noob. I have exited most of my position. Yes. No, you're good, Florian. You're good, Sony V. Like Sony V. It's like no offense or anything like that. Noob, I'm out. I'm basically out. I do think we're gonna see. Ideally, hold on. It's tricky though, because I want to play this tight. Like if this does not work out, I have no problem staying bullish. I've been bullish since 19K, fam. I mean, I've been long since 19K. I have no problem staying long if this doesn't work out. I feel like that's the trade. 21.2. Maybe a little higher. Yeah, maybe it's 21.3. More in. Something like that. 21K. No. I'm Florian. I'm basically out, so I wouldn't long here. I mean, I guess you could. The only problem about longing here is this is what I saw, right? Dead candle, volatility going up. Daily's crawling up. I mean, yeah, I mean, I just wouldn't short before 21K. I wouldn't short till 21K. Honestly, I wouldn't even consider it. Just because I don't think the R&R right now, trying to fill this, the fact that it's been such a clean play, fam. Excuse me, I'm hold on a second. Okay, it's been such clean TA that I don't understand why you'd be interested. Like when we've been hitting the golden pocket on each play, like here's the golden pocket right here, wicked it perfectly. If you take that down to the next swing low, 21K, 21.2. So yeah, I'd definitely put this at 21.350 or something like that. You know, you want to play it safe. I'd probably start at 21.30 and then put it $150 above the GP 0.65 on the but it's been so clean that would make sense to me. Do not forget, when we go into a Bitcoin dominant sideways action, fam, we're going into something that looks like this, right? Like, makes a lot of sense, right? We're gonna go something like this. So this is what I expect. We're gonna go in something like this, and then we're gonna continue sideways, right? We're gonna go sideways, wherever that takes us. Maybe we do make of this GP, which is why this is the invalidation right here, right? We either come down here, or we plow in some faker pump. This to me is the more probable move. The rejection of the GP maybe is slightly above 21K, 21.1K. This is more the more likely move, or even more likelier than that is really we come down here and we grind some lows again, and then we crawl back up. You know, more pain. Then we finally hit this, right? Like, and Bitcoin dominance is, like I said, Bitcoin dominance bounced. We got the 18K. Listen, fam, mad love. Appreciate all you. I want to remind you, this stream is sponsored by Bingx. Right now, you can get a Bingx 4K deposit right there. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Exclamation Bing X. All right. 4K deposit. Use my referral. Mad love. I do think we're gonna see 21K, fam. If you want to take the risk and long to there, fine. I'm actually already out of my long. I'm fine with that. The reality is you only had to make a little bit of money every day, and I made my money the last couple days, and that's what you got. That's the mentality you need as a trader, is to make some gains couple times a day. Sometimes you make it big, sometimes you but it's important to avoid losses. And I think right now, like, the R&R is definitely not there for the longs. We've, you know, we'll see how we react to 21K, right? 21K local top, Ninja. 21K, and then we see not like a top, like a local top, man. It's a GP, you know. It's nothing crazy. So I think that we'll see this area rejection right there around 21K, yeah, 22K. There's a lot of things that look good for a short. Everything lines up to me that we're gonna pump a little bit more, fam. Probably it's around 21K. BNB, all of them, they all look like we're gonna pump a little bit more and then go back lower. But the best part is don't get bearish at 19K yet. 18K. Don't even get bearish yet. We got to break those lows really to get bearish. We're gonna see a lower area to accumulate. I guarantee it. It's not gonna be for very long. We're gonna see it. It's probably gonna be Q1. I'm thinking next year. The Bitcoin cycle tends to have let's go to the Bitcoin cycle real quick here, fam. This is kind of how we'll end it. I think it's important to talk about this. The Bitcoin cycle has a minimum of 1 year from top to bottom, fam. Okay, 1 year top to bottom. All right, minimum. Look at this, 1 year top to bottom. So November, if we see lower than where we are now, right? Like 14K lower, not like 18K lower, like 14K lower. We're all in, fam. We're all in, right? We're all in. So that's how we're gonna play it. I'm still accumulating right now. I'm accumulating like 30% of my extra capital. If I have $100 a week to spend on crypto, $30 of that $100 is going into spot positions right now. Bitcoin, Solana. You know, if you're a Cardano fan, then great, grab Cardano. I'm not a Cardano fan, but maybe you are. That's the strategy we're gonna need to have. Mad love, appreciate all you. Have a great night. Happy Tuesday. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I might